Welcome to The Circle, where real life stories from around the world come together to create a tapestry of human experience. In this compelling podcast, we will delve into the diverse narratives that offer an immersive journey through the lives of individuals from various cultures and backgrounds. From personal anecdotes to societal issues, each episode of The Circle provides a platform for authentic storytelling, fostering empathy and understanding among our audience. So, join us as we explore the rich tapestry of human experience, existence, and celebrate the triumphs, challenges, and complexities that make us who we are.
Hello and welcome to the Circle podcast, where we delve deep into real-life stories of the individuals around the world. I am your host, Jane. Let's get started. Deanna Marie Radulescu, the host of the globally acclaimed label-free podcast, is a beacon of inspiration and empowerment. Her podcast is a platform that encourages listeners to break free from societal labels that often define individuals in their personal and professional lives. Deanna's life story is a testament to resilience and overcoming adversity. Raised in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, she experienced abuse at a young age and later found herself in an abusive relationship that exposed her to sex trafficking. Despite these hardships, Deanna turned her life around, went to college, sought counseling, and began healing herself. In her early 20s, Deanna met a successful older man who later became her husband. Together, they built 5 businesses, with Deanna playing a crucial role as the VP of Key Accounts and Business Operations. However, after her husband's death in 2016, Deanna had to start her life anew. She launched a fashion label and organized a successful event against human trafficking before bidding farewell to her designer career. In June 2019, Deanna founded the Label Free Podcast, a platform born out of her desire to shed societal labels and judgments. The podcast resonates with people across the globe, ranking in the top 0.5% of all podcasts globally according to listennotes.com. With over 583 episodes, 205-star reviews on Apple Podcasts, and over 1 million downloads, Label Free continues to inspire and empower its audience. Deanna's journey, from overcoming trauma to hosting a top-rated podcast, serves as a powerful reminder that every individual deserves to be accepted and loved unconditionally. Her story continues to reach people worldwide, encouraging them to live a label-free life. For more insights into Deanna's inspiring journey, check out her guest appearances and press mentions. Remember, living label-free is not just about shedding societal labels. It's about defining your own identity and living your best life. Here's a short outro for the podcast episode. Thank you for joining us on this powerful episode featuring Deanna Marie Radulescu, host of the Label Free Podcast. Her journey from adversity to empowerment is a testament to resilience and courage. Through her platform, Deanna inspires listeners worldwide to break free from societal labels and live authentically. For more inspiring stories and insights, explore Deanna's podcast and discover the transformative power of living label-free. Remember, your identity is yours to define, and your life is yours to live to the fullest. Until next time, embrace your uniqueness and continue your journey with strength and authenticity.